Let me give the
wow. Anytime I hear this song, I did spice up. Big time. All the whole calling time, everything the entire inside my mind and my belly.
Let me call this girl, that Judy girl. That was bad girl. Just me to just come. Just shout Judy.
Jody!
I tell you, say that shout her name like this. Nice to take come. Let's say they from back to read this girl.
I don't understand.
You see,
they from back because you
get gay. I'm a changed man first, and I have a political ambition. You cannot.
Every girl
set me.
That you know, you've asked out. Why?
Me.
Can't you just be friends?
Or you mean the girls ask me out, brother? I don't know how to ask girls out.
Where they go? Where did they ask you out?
Where them they go? When they ask them, I don't do that, Chakara. But how you do, Chakara? I mean, it's nice to see you today, man. It's a Friday, man. I'm always on the Friday. I'm always happy.
Friday like this, man. What I want to do today, I just want to drink. Start drinking.
You
drink
crack?
Again.
I crack.
Then drink some more.
My brother, drinking.
And drink.
This drinking is.
I'm happy for you.
You have to be when you drink, and you don't have where to pour the
somebody
drink out.
like me.
You're in trouble, oh.
If we leave this bar now, I'm going to sleep.
Liar.
Is it truth?
Liar. This burglary method. I can't just look your nipple. Why they look your nipple like that?
Where nipple this? For this Igbo man clothes.
Yeah, we don't carry
Igbo bueno. Cuena.
Yeah.
Cuena. Rieno. Mono. Tano. Nyono. Piano.
You know I like Igbo people. I don't know what I don't tell you before. Say Igbo people. The only two I like about them are the spirit of hustling. Very positive. they are hustling. They start from the day where they make up their mind to leave village, come city. As they go park, they look all the boss there. The one they go enter, young shall grow. They go enter. Because they believe say, as they go grow. For
they don't like God is good.
No, now when they don't hammer for Lagos, whether they come back, they go enter God is good.
Okay.
Or Ekele de Luchuku. But the ones who can't go buy, maybe they go through to chemical business, they go buy chemical, they expire concept. Money come. Bad business, they go back. Boss will go enter now. Also, say that is saying
run. Okay, now they say Sunday when Sunday.
No, that Sunday when
Sunday when
different.
No, Sunday when is different. This one na Osondo.
It is sweet some people. Osondo.
How come you know bad things?
No, this one Sunday when they mean say they sweet some people, they invest some people.
Then waiting be Agu de Lude. Where this bad that team is telling they like say Bobby pass Bobby.
No, the one where I like and when they talk. The one where I got one from we saying they always tell him son. The son and Momo, my dad and I be son. Once go bring this thing son come back. Daddy, sorry. I thought you said I should go and bring bucket. I said go and bring my tissue. You went and bring. Oh, sorry. I thought you said I should go and bring slippers. Now one day I look and say, you, every day you thought. Every day you thought. One day I thought.
Wait. What is Bobby pass Bobby for Igbo?
Bobby pass Bobby. For where I come from now, Anna Karana.
No, but that team, if you don't want that movie,
no, you know, say in the they always get slammed.
He go say, anything when you do one, something when you relate to Bobby, political issues.
That every day you thought, every day you thought, one day you thought, you know what I mean? No, they tell guys, every day you thought. You thought.
So one day
I thought, you chop. Auto, you say pekus.
Okay, so one day you go chop pekus. I
will talk about today. Yes. Shaka don't bring me to the mood. As he mentioned that thing, I thought my head enter topic of today. Bikonu. Omo wine no work. Uno nega kwente. Now, in when I work or in when I wine. You have started a relationship, and the girl is telling you, no cranking until you see my parents. No cranking. It can't happen no water until get home, mom and pam. That is the matter I want us to talk about.
This topic fits me more because
the babe tell you no cranking, no. Until get home, pam.
I don't crank, so I'll be very, very
showman. Let's be even serious today.
Make your chain call.
Showman, you see this drink. No, wait. You see this drink. If you say you never crank, if you drink this drink, if you go outside from this place, may you jump 64 times.
They even sabi swear for person.
I know sabi swear one lie.
If you say never correct before, drink this drink. Any way can I shower?
Okay.
Make you gum this.
Wait.
They're gonna drag. See, they'll come main road, call the dragon like this. You know Magu? Magu go gum you that day.
I don't drink past waiting you talk.
No, Alan.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile, this matter of today.
It fits me more because okay, now make I come on myself for the matter, but you guys say you must see in parents before you crank. First and foremost, any girl will tell you that kind of thing, then you need to know say that girl no be your either no be your wife or the girl should be expecting that she will be getting the opposite because some guys go do one.
Wait. If you want get some kind of you want talk, suppose just bend mouth one corner because you know even they sure. You just say either the girl not be your wife.
Let me tell you.
Because girl, wait.
Let me tell you why I said so.
You know how many good girls we will get. Oh, Showman, will you say?
I was talking.
I want make you cancel this first statement where you talk.
I was talking.
If you want more, continue.
How can a girl?
That first statement.
How can a girl?
That means the girl don't be your wife.
I have said it and I said it again.
You know how many girls will be saying from home? You know get how they will take give pecus to anybody. If the person no come house, come see. They get the orientation.
Where, which village?
How many good girls?
Which tribe?
Even for Lagos, even for Abuja, even everywhere. Girls, many girls will be saying that they be daddy's girl, mommy's girl. You understand?
I want to ask you a question which I know is very impossible. Ugo, are you telling me that so now?
When I go
now, I go and see the girl parents, and I say, daddy and mommy, I'm here because I want to start cracking your daughter from
why
today.
Would you say that?
So why am I coming to see your parents then?
No, the thing is this,
for
the young lady just wants it to be that if you come to their house and their parents know, her parents meet you, she will be rest assured, kind of. It's a bit of assurance for her.
That is wrong.
The only proverb we young girl, the fee give man, na be this. Understand?
Talk about proverb there.
Na be the proverb whether they say you can't say na if you can't see my people, then you go fuck. No.
We are saying it's a lie.
If you
are trying to remix Shakara. It's straight and forward. The girl is telling you that you are not going to worship in this temple unless you visit Jerusalem, where her parents dey. It's simple. No, what they want to remix again?
Okay, wait. What she's trying indirectly again. Another thing she's trying to tell you is you cannot visit this pekus if you are not ready for marriage.
Yes.
So why you call the car and go the other way?
Yes, but what I'm saying is say any girl. We begin. Why? Let me finish now. Any girl. Let me tell you, any girl or anybody in life that places a condition upon something that should be naturally done. Love is natural. You know how people they fall. You know, I'm coming now. Life is you make mistakes. Now why I like when they say let them make their mistakes. That he make his mistakes and he will come around. In life. If a girl falls in love with you or a guy falls in love, most times, like you say, love is blind. I don't believe in that. Your head, your sense, not even when you go even crank the person.
Okay.
So for a girl to be able to condition herself, stay with you 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you know a date,
okay.
But because never go see your parents, you don't give you
I don't see relationship where
how fake can I
just throw in this thing. I don't see relationship where say they don't date for 3 years now they never crank.
They both agree, ba?
I know, but 3 years now.
How you take see him?
Oh yeah, wait.
How you take see him? The guy na your guy.
Yeah, I never do him. You don't forget I don't do him. You don't forget. Say we don't talk here. Something will make us.
Ugomo go straight abeg.
Something will make us.
Ugomo go straight abeg. Sakara.
Oh yeah, keep quiet first.
You deal with one girl. When you deal with one girl, when you dey see that girl when you call.
I know this, but I
that girl wey no gree give am. Na your real girlfriend.
I know say no my real girlfriend. See this one. How many?
You know how many girls with me? I don't that before. I don't call your house. Then we get where they say taxi driver. I don't do.
That one I never did it. That one
see you.
That one never agree for you.
Who tell you?
That one you dey hustle.
Who tell you?
She don't give you for don't do.
What I go do? I don't do.
That one never agree for you. Never did.
Who tell you? When I vex say I don't do. Nice guy like me, I don't agree do.
No mind now, you know do.
See, girl enter bedroom with you. We go enter bedroom. We go this guy house. He enter bedroom, play with me inside bedroom. And I dey inside room. I no do it. I sleep. I come out. My bed dey para outside. I no do something. Why?
That one another joke for another day. If I go into that matter, If I give you details of that, him and that girl matter. But I want to ask you one question. Say, most especially also we say since what they do, most week in week out, would they get to meet
always the road. They meet different
couples, you know, wedding as anchor and the rest, anniversary. You know, many people there they testify on the whole microphone say, this guy gave me tough time. What will be the tough time? What will be the tough time? Where did they say?
The tough time
this
will
one
be only about cranking, Some tough time will be only about cranking,
But most of the tough time we babe they give guy na cranking.
Some tough time will be cranking.
Most of the tough time.
I don't see where guy go give you cranky. Guy go crank you and go, this is not marry you.
You don't see where guy don't get fully frustrated say babe no dey crank am.
Wait, at the call. Guy will say make you come meet your parents first before you go do anything. You know put if you write your tough time this way get give you know go put am join. It depends if that is tough for you. If that is tough for you. If I don't see cranky, a guy will quietly go and do what a girl say, okay, come to parents abi, but when they crank outside, you don't mind this one. Even you are an example. You kept the girl for 5 years, you didn't crank the girl, but you were cranking outside. But true or false? So what's the use? What's the use? What's the use?
We are talking of
you and the girl, you build relationship. You are building relationship.
Oh, you're not cracking how you building relationship.
You are building relationship. What
are you still with her today?
Let me tell you. Are you still with her today? As a man.
Are you still with her today? I'm asking you.
That is none of your business.
Answer the question. I cannot. We know you are not because you made a phone call here. This alone can tell you that my first line I said. My first line I said was right.
Would they come this back on drink?
She's not your wife.
You don't get insight of my personal life.
Why I won't get your inside personal life? But we know you are not with the girl again. Now you said this now. You said this here. You said you on the phone call here.
When we come back,
I call her and I know they with her. I call her and I know they with her.
You are not with that girl again. I put it to you.
You are not with that girl. Me now. You know.
Because you cannot stay long.
There.
Let me not use that word. Pop music. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.